Okay. First of all, you want to go our Facebook page, then Ads Manager. Okay. Okay, you have to go your Ad Manager, then Campaign, All Tools. Okay. Then Business Settings. Okay. Add people, and type your Facebook Gmail ID. Okay. Okay. Then next. um, so full control management for my job work purpose. Then next, select your Facebook is which page you want to add your run. Okay. Okay, full control. So and give access to add account. Select to add account, manage and add account, invite. Okay. Then you want to go your Gmail account. Go to the social site. Okay. Okay. This is the message. Okay. Get started. Okay. Thank you so much.